Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play three-card poker. This exciting game is a popular casino favorite, known for its quick rounds and straightforward rules. You'll be playing against the dealer, not other players, using a standard 52-card deck. Your main goal is to form a stronger three-card poker hand than the dealer's. It's a great option if you enjoy poker but prefer a faster pace. Let's dive into the betting options and gameplay. When you sit down at a three-card poker table, you'll encounter a few betting areas. The ante-bet is your primary wager, required to get cards and compete with the dealer. You can also place an optional pair plus bet, which wins if your hand contains a pair or better, independent of the dealer's hand. After receiving your three cards, you decide whether to fold, forfeiting your ante, or make a play bet, matching your initial ante, to continue the game. Once bets are placed, you and the dealer each receive three cards. After checking your hand, you have a crucial decision: fold and lose your ante, or place a play bet equal to your ante to challenge the dealer. The dealer then reveals their hand. A key rule is that the dealer must have at least a queen-high hand to qualify. If the dealer doesn't qualify, your ante-bet wins even money, and your play bet is returned. Three-card poker hand rankings are unique. A straight flush is highest, followed by three of a kind, then a straight, a flush, a pair, and finally high card. If you have a straight or better, you'll receive an ante bonus, even if the dealer wins or doesn't qualify. Payouts for winning hands vary by casino, but a straight flush often offers the highest reward. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck at the tables!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.